The next race is Final A for men under 16 in K1 in 500 meters with Tom Hatton from Great Britain in lane 1, Maxim Rogut from Moldova in lane 2, Gyarmati Levente Károly from Hungary in lane 3, Rahmikan Karahan from Turkey in lane 4, in lane 5 Herk László from Hungary, in lane 6 Simon Reznicek from Czechia, in lane 7 Mateja Molnár from Serbia, in lane 8 Marko Cvijanovic from Serbia, and in lane 9 Antonio Arizzi from Italy. Két magyar versenyző az A-döntőben, K1 férfi U16 500 méteren, a 3-ason Gyarmati Levente Károly, az 5-ösön pedig Herk László. Egyelőre én a 4-esen a török Karahant látom vezetni, de nagyon együtt a mezőny. Jól megy fönt a 2-esen a moldáv Rogut is. Still Karahan from Turkey in the lead. Mateja Molnár from Serbia in lane 7 is the second. Let's see if this can end. A strong last 100 meters from Reznicek in Czechia in lane 6 and in lane 8 Cvijanovic from Serbia. So let's see if the Turkish Karahan can win Final A for men under 16, and will it be two Serbians on the podium, or maybe Herk László from Hungary? That's for sure that the gold goes to Turkey. Ó, de nagyon szoros volt a 6-os, 7-es, 8-as pálya között ez a, bocsánat, 5-ös, 6-os, 7-es pálya